Uh-oh, this is embarrassing. Okay, so I made a video about these micro LED indicators. Turns out you don't need these resistors at all, because everything is in this ECU and you can program it with this info button. A guy who saw my last video pointed it out. His name's Tunc, I think that's how you say it. Let me show you how to do it. It's really easy. So I've had the ribbon of a lifetime upstairs for not reading the manual and showing people how not to do something. Dutch might have actually said to me a couple of weeks ago, check through the clocks on the bike. But I checked and I didn't know it was going to be a Street Fighter move to actually get to this. So as you can see, hyperflash. This is without the resistors. This is what we want to get rid of. Apparently it's really simple. Turn it off, hold down this info button, turn the ignition, hold it down, you get this popping up that says type. It scrolls through 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 will give you hyperflash, 2 won't. So to confirm that, hold down the info button, we'll go back to the clock, turn it off, back on again. Hyperflash gone. That's how you do it, embarrassingly. It's an easier way. Triumph have thought about it, they just keep it hidden. Hope that helps everyone. I'm gonna go hide. Bye.
Anchor.